it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. It's Vlogmas Day 10. Today is gonna be a video that I have meant to do like weeks ago and I just never got around to it. It is my yes oh yes for November. My subscription boxes for December are kind of taking a while to come in, and I suspect that has to do with holiday shipping and all that other stuff. So this is the last box that I have not gotten around to from November to go over, so I figured let's go over it, and then I can start getting into my more fresh new stuff as it comes in, hopefully over the next couple of days. So this box, let me see if I can find the sheet here. I think this box is like $14 or $15 a month plus shipping, so it ends up being like $17 or $18 a month depending on where you live and everything. So this is the Yes Oh Yes Girls Can, and then they give you the values in the back. Now, there is a really good video, and I will try to link it below, of one of my favorite people that does unboxings, and she goes over this particular bag and how the values were inflated, and it's a great video. And if you've never watched her unboxings, I would definitely give it a look. I can't think of what her name is, but I'll put the link below. Also, before we get too far into this video, my giveaway ends at midnight Central Time tonight. I will pick the winner tomorrow, and I'll either announce it tomorrow or I'll announce it Wednesday night. You'll get the video probably Wednesday night because I want to go through and verify that the person that wins this is actually did everything that they were supposed to be eligible for this. So don't forget to subscribe and do all that stuff. I'll put the link below for this video, and then I will try to get this out by this weekend so that hopefully whoever gets it, if they live in the US, they get it before Christmas. If not, they'll get it shortly thereafter. All right, so let's get into this box. So again, the theme is Girls Can. I'm just going to start with the first thing that I get out of here, and this is the Glow Mirabella. This is the Swirling Pearl Brilliant Mineral Highlighter, and it comes in this fancy little box, and this is what it looks like. It's really, really pretty. Really pretty. You can see it kind of has that like yellowish shade down at the bottom and pink there. This is what it looks like on the finger and then on the hand. Like, this is a really pretty highlighter. It's not too chunky. It just has a really pretty look to it. I have not used a lot of their products. I've gotten Mirabella in other subscription boxes, and this is really neat. So I'm actually excited about this. It's made in Italy apparently, but I don't know much about this brand. So on the thing here, it says that this is $42. I don't think this is legitimately $42. Like I said, I'll put that video below where they talk about it more. And I think that this was a lot less than that, but that's okay. All right, next thing here is this Sourmet Treatment Cosmetics Brow Lift Brow Highlighting Pen. And this is what it looks like. So you can see here. Not too exciting of a package, and this is what it looks like. It's like your standard brow highlighting. I'm not wearing too much makeup here, but whoa, you can see there. So I actually like to do brow highlighting, and I like to do inner corner highlighting, and so it basically says highlight brow arch and brighten eye area with a sweep of this creamy pencil. It is pretty creamy, so I don't think that this is a bad thing. I will use this as well. This is supposed to be retailed for $22. Again, I don't know if that value is truly true, but that's okay. Okay, next product here is the Beauty Creations Unicorn Tears of Liquid Highlighter. I have a couple liquid highlighters, so I'm not going to open this one up. I may even give this one away. I do really like Beauty Creations products. They say that this retails for $17. I think it does at full price, but I'm pretty sure Beauty Creation has been running deals, and so you could probably pick this up for like $8, maybe $10. And I am going to do a whole video on Beauty Creation palettes because I picked up a bunch during one of their sales, and I really, really do like their products. So I will set this one aside just in case I decide to give that away. And then the final product here, so they always try to send a full-size palette. Oh, sorry, there's two extra products here. So before we get into it, we have this brush here, which is a crown brush. This is the Deluxe Badger Oval Shadow Brush. It's pretty darn big. I don't know if I would use this as a shadow brush because it's kind of huge, although I do like this oval shape. I just kind of wish it was like half the size. But this might make a really good, like, I don't know, brush here or something like that. I like crown brushes. This does feel like one of the nicer crown brushes. They're saying that this retails for $19. The reality is most crown brushes, you can go on their website and get this probably for $2, $3. But I still like it. All right, final product here. This is their palette for this month. So the big thing about Yes Oh Yes is they always send you a palette. And they do kind of vary it up. Eyeshadow palette versus lip palette versus highlighting palette. So I think I've gotten some really good palettes from them. I'm always happy. I've gotten 2 different eyeshadow palettes since I've started this, and both eyeshadow palettes I've really liked. And I've gotten a highlighting palette, which was also beautiful, from Naked Cosmetics. This month is the Aesthetica Contour Series Lip Palette. Aesthetica has some really nice stuff. And I don't actually own a single contour lip palette, so this is kind of fun. Some really beautiful shades here. There are 2 lip liners, and then this looks like, let me pull these out here. So you've got, oh, I didn't even notice this. So you've got this one that comes in 2 different colors. You've got this bright pink called Party Girl, and then this color called Stalker. And then this one has kind of 2 different like berry shades, one called Swag and the other one called Bombshell. So that's kind of fun. They give you a couple different ones here. And then this is your lip thing. Oh, it's a little crunchy there, but now that I play with it a little bit, it's softer. But so this is so you can actually apply the lip products. This is really cool. It's something I definitely want to play with. I don't do a lot of lip stuff, as you guys know. I have very small lips that I just find, I don't know, I just tend to like the more natural look, but I do really like that it teaches you the different ways to line and make your lips look fantastic. And they basically, yeah, this will be fun to play with. The other thing that I think is really cool about this palette is that they show you like all the different possibilities here, and then little tutorials on how to do this. So that's pretty cool. I really, really like this. They say that this lip kit is $45. I know it's been on sale recently, so it's probably only like $20, but I still am very happy with this. So this is a really cool thing. Like, I actually like every single product that I got in here, and I think the value, it's Just Ann, that's the, I couldn't think of the name of it, on her video when she finally went through what she found where you could buy this either on Amazon or different vendors, and the price she added up was still, for this thing cost me like $17 or $18, and the value was like $40 or $50, not the $145 they said. But in my opinion, that is still a really good value for the products, and I'm going to use everything. So I actually am very happy with this. I do wish they'd be a little bit more transparent about their pricing and not kind of overblow it a little bit. I think that's a little deceptive, but I'm still happy with this, and I still am going to continue to purchase it until I'm unhappy or till the value is such that I don't think it's worth it, in my opinion. And I'm not there. So just if you buy this, take it with, oh, don't want to show my thing there, take it with a grain of salt about how much the value really is. When they say, oh, you get 140 some odd dollars. No, you probably get maybe half that value. And if you take that in, I still think it's a great box and everything. So that's it. Very short unboxing. I love this highlighter. But tomorrow I will, like I said, I'm going to pick the winner and verify it, and I will put that video up Wednesday. I'll try to do that. Tomorrow I'll do my Stitch Fix unboxing, and then I think I will probably end up preloading the video for Wednesday and Thursday, because if you guys don't remember, I mentioned my I'm throwing a Christmas party on Wednesday, and then Thursday my son goes in for a surgery to have a cyst removed, and so I will probably not be up to videotaping both days, but I want to keep up with this challenge because I feel like I'm doing a good job, and I really am. I don't know, I am enjoying this challenge of Vlogmas, and so I'm going to continue on, and then I should have some more fresh content starting Friday and Saturday, and we'll hopefully get all my boxes. I have the Cause box and Box of Style, and I have a bunch of new makeup palettes to try out, so I've got lots of things that I can experiment with. So anyway, guys, as always, thank you for watching. Thank you for all the awesome comments that people are leaving me. I just feel very well supported, and I appreciate it so much. Thank you for the likes and everything else, and I really appreciate everyone. As always, please leave me feedback, and I will see you guys tomorrow.